Hello everyone, Cheryl Ann here with just a little video today. I realize it's been a couple weeks since I've done a video and I miss you guys. I hope you missed me. We're fine. Hubby and I got our most recent booster shots over the weekend and we were both kind of down and out yesterday, but today we're both feeling we're pretty normal. My arm wasn't quite as sore as it usually is. It was a little bit sore, but nothing bad. So I've been cleaning out my craft room finally. I finally, right before we went to get our booster shots, I started and I had one whole trash can full of stuff. I took it out. Now I've got two more areas I need to go through. I don't want to show you it till it's done because it's just too embarrassing. But one of the things I found, I've been missing this for about 2 years. It's a magazine that I did after taking the Mrs. Coggs magazine course. And I did it just like she said. And it's 2 signatures. The spine is about 1 inch. It is a soft cover. It has this beautiful meadowlark and sunflowers. It's one of those calendar pages. I'm not selling or giving this one away. I'm keeping this one. So there's a pocket on the front. You know what? I forgot. Look at this. I didn't put anything here along the spine. What a doofus. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I wonder about myself sometimes. I stuck on a flower here, and there's a little, oh, there's not little, that's huge. There's some bug paper, some Dylusion sprayed paper, some real pretty scrapbook paper. I did a little stamping, some coffee dyed paper. See, now this is that big format, but you know what? It's not any bigger. Yeah, it's 12 by 9.5. It's not any bigger than what I've been doing lately on some of my journals. The only difference is that this is a soft cover. Like this is a page that I've had to splice together to get it in here. Oh, I love that on the back. Look at that. Oh, see, for me, I love that. I don't like plain white. I like either some light stamping or something on it. Here's another. Now this is music staff paper, and if you turn it the other way, it's sideways because you write your staff here and then you write your notes on the staff. So that's 2 papers, and they're held together with a piece of fabric in the middle. She talks about how to do all this in her course. And this is another large piece of paper that is held together with, another piece of paper. That's another way you can splice them together. Back up a little bit. Yeah, so you can't really see that one, but it's there. And then I did this, honestly, did it so long ago, I kind of forget. Oh, and here's a piece of music. See, I didn't want to put it in sideways, because if you put it in sideways, it's not, it looks like it's from my Chopin book, which I'm gladly tearing up. That's the middle. So there's the other half of the music. That's the fabric I put on that one to splice it together. This is the fabric. It looks like I did fabric and paper. I'm not really sure here. Yeah, I did both because there's the paper sticking out. I mean, this was the first one I ever did like she does hers. I don't do it like this anymore. My books now, I use hardcovers, and they're usually 12 inches by maybe 8. So I don't have to do all this slicing and dicing and splicing and So you don't have to for every one, which is why I like doing papers that are different sizes. You get a variety. That's those Dylusion sprays. So neat. This one was coffee stained, and then I just splattered some green, and I think there's a spray there. Let's see. Oh, this is where I think I spliced this paper. Yeah, I put some I glued some fabric down, and then I sewed over it. So that's another way you can. Oh, sorry. That's another way you can do these larger pages. Now here's one that I did some decorative stitching on. That's just another piece of paper holding this page upright. I kind of like that. That was kind of cute. But I'm just going to keep this, and I'll use this one maybe as my next one. I love these larger sized journals. I like all the colors too. It's sprayed. Oh, here, yeah. There you can see where I put the strip of paper down the middle. So this is attached to another, can't get it turned. Another paper on the other side. We'll get to it in just a second here. But see, I have another brand new ream of this 11 by 17 pardon me, inch paper. I started using this paper when I started doing my family genealogy research, because you know, I can start here and go across, you know, the whole paper just on one family line, which I've been working on this morning. There's the other part of the music. So you can see why. See, if you attach a piece of paper here or fabric or even masking tape, something to tape the two pages together. Oh, I really love this one. Oh my gosh. There's a nice little tuck. I love the writing. See, again, here's a large ledger page. And I put, yeah, there's just paper, and then I sewed over it with some fancy stitching. Fancy. And that's just splatters. That's watercolor splatter. See, here's the other side. See if I can kind of move that. So you can see how it's, I glue it, then I let it dry overnight, and then I sew over it. Okay, here's the other, this is the other one of the music staff paper. You can't see. Yeah, there it is. There's the one I glued. I didn't sew that one. Like I said, this was the first mega one I did. I threw it on my table, and then I started throwing stuff on top of it, and it disappeared for 2 years. I kid you not. Oh, here's that. Here's the other bird page. Remember, we saw the first one. So this is the other one. So this is why doing is splicing them together and either gluing or sewing. Like there's fabric. There's fabric there. I don't know what I did here. Oh, there. I kind of played around. Look at this back one. Got stitching and more stitching and more stitching. I guess that's never coming off. And then the back here. And I forgot to do it in the middle. So it has the sunflowers on the back. And the only thing I'm noticing with this one is that it got these soft covers. I'm noticing they have a lot of give. And you know, that's okay, because if you're doing like art and stuff, you don't want it real rigid. I know some people like hard covers, and I'm getting that way. I'll show you what I'm working on next. So this is a book. It's a hardcover book I got at our local library, and I've gutted it, and then I like to put muslin in the middle and glue it down. This has been dry now for over a week, and I took some sandpaper and I went over both the inside and the front covers, because if you're putting gesso on it like I did, your gesso sticks better when it has something to cling to. So I think I'm going to do another coat of gesso because I want this one to be my outer space one. And I want to put dark blues and some blacks, acrylic paints on the front. So I don't, you can't really tell in this light, but it's red. It has a reddish tint. So I don't want that to, show through. But you know, now this one is, let's see. Okay, so this is 11 inches. And the, the Meadowlark is, it's a full 12. It's also wider. This one is, let me line it up here. I think it's about 9 inches wide. Yeah, 9.5. So it's, yeah, it's as wide. It's as wide as this one. It's just an inch shorter. But still, I can use that nice 11 by 17 paper. Oops, see that? Oh, now look, that just, yeah. See, I'm going to have to cut. I'm going to have to cut about an inch off because that's too close to the edge. No, it actually sticks over the edge. So I'll probably cut off maybe 1/4 inch, maybe 1/2 inch. But see, I don't mind doing that because for me, it's just part of making a journal. So, but this is the 11. This is the 11 by 17 inch paper. I get it. You can get it at Staples. I think I got mine on Amazon because I don't like going out anymore. I try to order what I can and have it delivered to the house whenever I can. I'm getting lazy in my old age. But see that for this one, yeah, look at that, see? Because this one is 12 inches, this is plenty big. Let's look again. Yeah, see, there's a little bit on the top, and there's a little bit on the bottom. So 11 by 17 for a 12-inch cover works really well. So anyway, I just thought I'd pop by and say hello to all of you. Like I said, I've really missed everybody. So I just wanted to share that one with you. I think if I were to do this again, you know, honestly, I think I would put 2 of these covers together. I don't mind it being this flexible, but I know maybe some people, I mean, it's not real flexible because it has this pocket here. Let's see about the back. Now, there's no pocket on the back, but this is a real heavy duck cloth. This is one of the heavier ones, so there's not a lot of give there. But it's not, you know, it's not as sturdy or as strong as a hardcover. I do have 2 the soft cover journals that I'm attempting to finish. Now this one is 12 inches long, and it is, yeah, see, it's almost 9 inches wide. This one is made from Amazon envelopes. See, this is what I do. I like to use my clips before I glue. So this one will be 2 signatures, and this one's going to have a pocket in the front for like a pen. And then this one's a little smaller. Let's see. This one is, no, it's 12 inches long, but it's only, you know, 7.5 inches wide. And see, I haven't done much on this one. This is going to be a woodland because I love making woodland ones. So I need to get to work on those, and then I'm going to start my space one. So anyway, until next time, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I love to hear from people. Until next time, bye for now.